The long-awaited bullish run has started, and the crypto market is doing really well in this time frame. Bitcoin has finally managed to reach $45,000, while Ethereum is at $3,100. Dogecoin hasn't been left behind, and it's taken a huge step on the uptrend, which increased its price by about 24%. Dogecoin is following closely with the rising trend of Bitcoin and Ethereum. It's increased from around 20 cents to hit 27 cents on the day-to-day charts. Today on Crypto Lion, we'll be looking at why people should be preparing for the current market situation and what role Elon Musk might play right now. If you haven't already, consider hitting that subscribe button and turning on post notifications. We also have a free Discord group where we share daily signals, and now you can also support us on Patreon. We have a special offer for our first 100 members, only $9.99 for our VIP Discord channels, where we share much more in-depth analysis and even one-on-one sessions. We also have a special discount offer on Binance. You'll get 5% off every trade you make on the platform if you sign up with our promo link in the description. Also in the description are links to get your hands on GSX, the gold-backed currency. This growth coin is designed to withstand market volatility, and it's backed by real gold and other mineral resources. Be sure to check out the links in the video description. Analysts have pegged Dogecoin as one of the best performers in the market recently, which is no mean feat given there was no prior contribution from Elon Musk. One admirable fact in its price action is that it's teetering at the edge of breaking through the resistance set at 30 cents. In one of our earlier videos, we stated that a break through the resistance at this price level could indicate a return to bullish ways for Dogecoin. Could it be that this is just what Dogecoin is set to do? Are we on the verge of a return to a comprehensive bull run that will change the perception about Dogecoin and lead to a spike in buying pressure, which would further push it to new heights? This level will be broken out of if Doge continues receiving support from the broader crypto market. In this case, we could see Dogecoin rallying towards highs created in June. The support from the market is massive, and this means that the chances of a continued uptrend are still higher. A large number of cryptocurrencies have put on strong buy indicators, and that could be quite beneficial for Dogecoin. Is the uptrend infallible? Of course not. Nothing in the crypto market is wired to be absolute. Volatility will set in, and from there, anything can happen. Should the uptrend fail, what should we expect? The most likely scenario is a retreat to lower levels at about 20 cents. At this point, the current price would become a resistance. In the last 2 months, Dogecoin found it incredibly hard to break past this resistance level. Analysts have once again pointed out that Dogecoin's unrelenting supply could weaken its market support, which should be backed by scarcity, which is an element that Dogecoin lacks. This lack could cause it to dip back down as well. If there are strong market bears, we could see Dogecoin heading towards lows of 19 cents. People find it interesting that Dogecoin is yet to lift a finger in this market window, and Dogecoin is in this current upswing despite that. With the removal of Doge eyes from his Twitter profile, people already assumed that Musk was indirectly signifying his retreat from showing enthusiasm about Dogecoin. It was pretty silly, but people thought that action would lead to a dip in the price of Dogecoin. The coin has instead made a remarkable uptrend. An account provided by crypto blog FX Leaders further highlights the scenario of Dogecoin's current price. It's been quite the dramatic weekend that caps the expectations of over a month. The analyst suggests that a recovery is on the cards as there is a quest to reclaim the price level at 30 cents. Dogecoin is expected to take advantage of the current general uptrend to boost itself upwards. It's currently trading within the 23 to 27 cents range. Dogecoin is picking up some positive momentum of its own, and that's good for me and you. With Bitcoin comfortably holding above $43,000, the mood among crypto investors has picked up once again, increasing buying interest across the board and contributing to the spike in Dogecoin. This is what we've been pointing to as the best line of action for weeks now, piling up buying pressure. A lot of things have happened that have positioned Dogecoin for this growth. Dogecoin has been accumulating interest in more ways than one among its community, as well as leading brands. Upgraded its use case as a currency by several businesses, of which the most interesting is the auction of a special hot dog package by Oscar Mayer. The auction raised about $15,000, which would be committed to humanitarian services. More companies are becoming a part of the Doge system. There's just so much energy coming from this angle. We're now looking forward to the several sessions that might come up as the price action persists from day to day. There's a renewed expectation that Dogecoin could continue to the upside. The bearishness is expected to phase out soon and send the price of Dogecoin hurling through the 30 cents price and end up at the 40 cents. A breakout of the downtrend is in the mill, and we can experience a sharp spike that can take it to the predicted level. When that happens, Doge would continue to consolidate and accumulate small gains alongside the rest of the market, as we anticipate Elon Musk to do some magic of his own. This would really make for a good test of whether his tweets are more effective in a bullish market. While we await his input, it will likely have long periods of flat price action followed by violent speculative pumps like we've seen in the past. On the 4-hour chart of Doge USD, most of the moving averages are exhibiting a bullish bias, although the MACD and momentum indicators are signaling a bearish bias among investors as well. Dogecoin's price is holding just under the pivot point at 23.8 cents and could rise higher as long as the market sentiment continues to remain positive. Once Doge crosses this level, buyers could reclaim the key 25 cents mark and head on higher towards 30 cents. But they will have to break past resistance at 28.4 cents along the way. The Doge market is waiting for a trademark signal from Elon Musk, which will herald the kind of violent pumps that we've grown accustomed to in Dogecoin action. One of the beneficiaries of the crazy run in the first few months of the year is the self-proclaimed Dogecoin millionaire Glauber Conte Soto. And he's once again hit the headlines, having posted that his holdings have once again grown in value to over $1 million. His holdings dipped a little below that mark when the price of Dogecoin dipped down as low as 18 cents. The question that popped up was whether he would cash out, but he shocked all speculators when he made headlines in June after failing to sell Dogecoin despite massive losses. He's currently one of the biggest Doge supporters and investors, and likewise an influencer. As always, his testimony often provides a clear basis for support for Dogecoin, and many investors would take motivation from him in holding a crypto through tough times. It's remarkable what he does when he posts his 7-figure Dogecoin fortune amid the cryptocurrency's impressive recovery. He's notably one of the investors that took a crazy step while investing in Dogecoin. We wouldn't recommend anyone else try to do the same. He showed a remarkable persistence that is consistent with the character of Dogecoin, even when he lost his Dogecoin millionaire status. And Dogecoin lost close to 70%. What did he do? He bought more into the dip, seeing the bearish market as a good bargain. We're not saying that a full recovery is to kick off instantaneously, but Dogecoin investors should really start preparing their minds to capitalize on the current price levels. We can't predict the full extent of a Doge uptrend for the coming weeks, but it would be better safe than sorry to buy while it's this cheap. Elon Musk is yet to tweet, but we'll probably hear from him soon enough in anticipation of more Doge drama. The information reaching us from the tweets by analytics agency Into the Block stated that since the current price recovery, about 3/4 of all the wallets holding Dogecoin are in a state of profit. We can only imagine the happiness of investors. About 66% of the total Doge addresses bought in at a lower price, and these are enjoying the current spike. This shows just how much of the spotlight that Dogecoin is enjoying right now. We hope to see more of that in the coming days as more people get to earn profits with increasing Doge price. Thank you for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, make sure you subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on bell notifications. Don't forget to check out the links in our video description for our Patreon and Discord group, and make sure you check out the GSX competition for your chance to win big. Links are below, and if you have any questions, drop us a comment. And as always, good luck and happy investing.